Hey guys, welcome to LZH project. My name is Salman Francis and this is fifth part of our Linux Zero to Hero networking series. And today we are going to see NETSTAT and SS command. These are almost the same commands, but one command you can use without being root and the other you need the root user access to run the command. Well, the good news about this video is that now I am using total open source tools to create my videos, and in this video I'm using this simple screen recorder, and I hope you guys will like this. So let's start. First of all, you can see that I have like two screens. One is like as a normal user over here, and this one is as a root user. So let me first start as a normal user and try to run NETSTAT. So NETSTAT, basically it stands for network statistics, and if I run NETSTAT, you can see that I'm able to run this without without the root permissions. So, but there is another command which is same as NETSTAT. It's called SS command, and SS command is that I need a root permission to run the SS command. And if in this window where I'm logged in as root, if I try to run SS command, you can see that it will run almost the same, just like NETSTAT. Okay, so let me just clear the screen and finish this with NETSTAT. Okay, so first thing is, what if I want to check with NETSTAT, NETSTAT dash A. This is to list all, and this will give me like active internet connections, what I have right now, and basically it lists all. Okay, and okay, let me control C. Okay, then there is a command called netstat -an. N stands for do not resolve the names. Okay, so if I run this, it's not going to resolve the names. L stands for list. Let me just run it one by one. netstat-l will list the listening current listening addresses. Okay, let me just bring back my okay, so here's the current listing addresses. Okay, all right, then we have this netstat to list all the TCP connections. Netstat -t. Okay, you can list the TCP connection. To list the UDP connection, you can just use netstat u. Okay, and basically you can combine all these things like netstat. Let me clear the screen first. Netstat -ant l u p. P is for ports. Okay, and it will list all the TCP and UDP protocols and the ports and the listening addresses, and it's not going to resolve the name. This is really important while troubleshooting. Okay, but you can see that this command just went really quick. So you can use the less command, pipe it to less, and now you can just easily scroll up and scroll down. Okay, excuse me. So you can see that my team viewer is running, SSHD is running. What if you just want to list only SSH? So you can use this command netstat -ant lup grep :22, and you can see that it's listening on SSH or port 22. Okay, what if you want to see the routing table? You will use netstat -r command. It will give you the routing table, routing information. Then there is about the kernel information, you can get netstat-I. It will give you kernel interface table, and if you need the extended kernel information, you can just use the -e command. It will give you extended information. Okay, and you can always pipe it to less, and you can see that kernel interface table. It will give you information about your adapters, Ethernet cards, wireless cards, and all the important information which is not normally available. Okay. Then one last command I would like to show is, it's going to be the statistics, like netstat. Let me clear the screen. Netstat-s, and you can see it gives you really good statistics about IP, how many packets received, send, invalid, regarding ICMP, and lots of active connections, TCP, UDP, and lots of information. So that's it, and this is also my first video. It's kind of a test video from my OpenSUSE box, and I hope you guys will like it. Please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. It's youtube.com/LinuxKing. Like me on Facebook, LinuxKing77, and you can also follow me on Twitter. It's same like LinuxKing77. So thank you and goodbye.